Trending at binabalik-balikan na buffet style na only samgyeopsal and hot pot for only 549 for lunch and 599 for dinner. Gogi Many Buffet and Korean barbecue and unlimited is a perfect place for you. Located at Island Plaza, Levista Street, Makati. They offer authentic and premium meats na talagang mai-enjoy mo. Plus, they have a lot of choices for their side dishes. And you can also make your own sauces. And kung mahilig ka nga rin sa sushi, meron din sila. And alam nyo ba na isa sa nagustuhan ko ang kanilang dessert? At hindi rin papakabog ang kanilang place, malinis at presentable din. Approachable and accommodating din ang kanilang staff. And kapag gusto mo nga pumunta, they are open from 10 a.m. onwards. And nag-a-accept din sila ng advance reservation. Kaya naman perfect dito dalhin ng iyong family, friends, and barkadas. Bukod sa affordable na, talagang mai-enjoy mo. Dahil dito, wantosawa mong mai-enjoy ang lahat ng kanilang menu. And take note, meron nga pala silang charge sa leftover. O siya, hanggang dito na lang. Tara, kain!